Hello, good morning. This is Diecast Loon. I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to another Mainline Monday. And I've actually not done too bad today. I've actually found some castings that I don't have. I did initially go out to look for some Matchbox, but the place I get my Matchbox from still hasn't had the next wave of Matchbox yet. There's still wave 1, and I think we're up to wave 4 now. But anyway, whilst I was there, I did come across some Hot Wheels. So we'll get into it straight away in the usual fashion. And we'll just angle the camera down a bit. It's better. Possibly. There you go. And the first one we're going to take a look at is this Lancia Delta Integrale, which is very, very cool. I've been waiting to find this for a while now. So that's pretty cool. So in the usual fashion, we'll get straight into it. Let's see if we can get a clean rip open. And there it is. Very cool. All the front done really nice. And like I said, these have been around a while now, but like I said, where I live, it's been really slim pickings for a while. The back could do with a bit of a detail at some point. But I'm actually I think I'm going to leave this alone because I quite like the 10-spoke white the sort of 10-spoke white wheels on this. But yeah, very cool casting. And I used to have a friend that had one of these. I've never driven one, but I've been in the road going version. That was quick enough. Anyway, that's a good start. And we'll just have a quick look underneath. The Lancia Delta Integrale, and see 2020 Mattel, so it's new casting. So anyway, so that's the first one. And then the second one is pretty cool. This is the 95 Mazda RX-7. Just angle the camera up a little bit more. That's a bit better. So yeah, RX-7, which is pretty cool. So we'll let this one open. I wasn't even aware this one was around, to be honest. This one's been a bit of a... This one's fighting me a bit. And there it is, black. Again, all nicely tampoed on the back. Let's see if we can get to possibly pick up. But yeah, you can see the exhausts. And you've got the spots on the front there and the indicators all tampered in, the badge. You've got like a sort of tan interior. That's pretty cool. It's got some sort of almost looks like a glue spot that'll polish out. But yeah, it's pretty cool. 95 Mazda RX-7, 2017 copyright. But yeah, that's another quite cool car. This is a good find. And then another one I've been after for a while is the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. Bit of a mouthful. In what looks like a dark metallic blue. I'll get that one open a bit better. Let's try it like that, it's a bit better. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, it's a dark metallic blue. Now I was going to do I did think for a minute to do a wheel swap on this, but I'm still waiting for my wheels to come through from eBay that I've ordered. I managed to order some wheels from eBay, a couple of 3 different sets of sort of real rider wheels, and they still ain't here. So, and I managed to pick up another set of wheels off my good friend John. Excuse me. So I'm not going to use them on this because I don't think it'll look right. I'm gonna have to sort of wait, but I'm definitely thinking of doing a wheel swap on this one, just because it's done so nice. But anyway, it is 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version and the 2019 copyright. So yeah, so that's cool to find that at last. And then we got this Jaguar XE SV Project 8, which I think I've had it before, and I'm not sure if I've had it, if it's a Matchbox. I think it was a Hot Wheels version I've had of this, another one. But the reason I picked this out is because this one's tampoed all round, whereas the other one I think isn't. But I think that was a convertible, possibly. That would be from a 5-pack. Oh, they're really fighting me today. They don't want to come out. So, yeah, it's pretty cool with the red and the black wheels. It's got like a sunshine roof going on, but it's all sort of tampoed in quite nicely there on the back, on the front, sorry. And nicely on the back. So yeah, it's not too bad a car at all. So again, another pretty cool find. Yeah, so that is the Jaguar, well, anyway, it's Project 8, 2018 copyright. And then the last one is the 21 Ford Bronco, which is very cool. Another one I've been waiting to see. And there it is, out of the packet. It's got some sort, I think that looks like a, I can't make out what that is on the side of there, to be honest. Have a look out the camera. No, I can't make it out. Some sort of animal on the side. But nonetheless, it's done very nice. You've got the suspension legs in the background, you can see under the arches there. Bronco. No tampos on the rear, but that can be painted in no problem. And Bronco across the grille. Yeah, pretty cool. Like I said, I've been waiting to see this one for a while. And that's pretty cool. You got some windscreen wiper reliefs there. You can see it looks like you can see where they're connected. So they've done a pretty good job on this casting. But so anyway, so that's the cars I found this morning out and about. And this is the car that I'm going to do the wheel swap on. And I've managed to get, like I said, my mate John, who he isn't a YouTuber, but he does watch my channel, so I'm going to say thank you again to him, Janks, for all the wheels I've had off him recently. And like I said, he does a lot of, mainly customizers, so he goes through lots of cars and does his own thing with them. And like I said, I've done a few wheel swaps recently and managed to get wheels off him. And anyway, I'm gonna do a wheel swap on this, and when you see, you'll see what I'm getting at, the wheel choice I've used, because obviously these are black, so I'm going to go with the whole black theme. But anyway, so with the magic of camera, and there it is, all done. Now that was a real pain to do this car. I found doing this recently really quite easy. There's no, real science involved like that. It's just got to be a bit careful and away you go. But this one, for some reason, it didn't want to come to pieces. It really didn't want to come to pieces, and then it didn't want to go back together. But as you can see, it's turned out quite nice. And the wheel choice again is pretty cool. These are the wheels that are on it. If I can go into view, they were the wheels that are on it. So you can see why I wanted to go with the black. With the chrome lip, it makes them stick out just that enough. But very cool casting, and I'm really pleased with the way it turned out. And I just got to put a little bit of dab of paint on there just to finish it off. But yeah, it's the same wheels as what I put on the first wheel swap I did probably a couple of weeks ago now, which is this Porsche 944. Exactly the same wheels. Another thing as well is when I put the wheels on this car, these were slightly bent because, which is what my friend said to me. He said, yeah, he's got another set of them wheels left, but they are a bit bent, so I had to straighten them out. So yeah, this didn't turn out like I thought it was going to, but like I said, at least the end result's good. And like I said, there's one I've done a few weeks ago, the 4.4, and there's the Audi I did a while back as well, not that long ago. I can get it to That's the Audi I've done. That one turned out really nice. And then my first proper custom, which turned out pretty cool. Wheel swap, painted details on the rear, painted the front in, painted the bow tie, painted the lights, put a little green light compressor in the back. But there's my wheel swaps anyway that I've recently done. One of my customizations. And I thought if I'm going to show them, I might as well quickly show off the last restoration, or it's not really a restoration, but this was a custom really, because I did change the wheels on it and gave it a repaint and did the rear lights. But anyway, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon.